Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to install Pruveeo's triple mirror dashcam. This streaming media dashcam consists of 3 channels, one for the front camera, inside cabin, and the rear camera. So the mirror is a 12-inch HD IPS touchscreen, which is big enough to view 3 cameras simultaneously in real time. So here we have the front camera, which records in full HD 1080p, and it is adjustable. Here we have the in-cabin camera, which is attached to the mirror. It does record at full HD 1080p. It also has 4 infrared LEDs. The in-cabin camera can turn 320 degrees and can record up to 150 degree angle. Here is your rear camera. It records at a full HD 1080p. It has a 170 degree recording angle and is IP69K waterproof. This rear view camera also has the reverse parking assist. You would have to connect this red wire to your reverse lights. It does come with a cigarette plug 12-volt power source. The mirror is equipped with 24-hour parking monitor. However, you have to purchase the hardwire kit separately. With the hardwire kit, when a collision is detected, the camera will wake up from its dormant state and start recording. It does have loop recording feature in case your memory card capacity is low. It does not come with a memory card, and it does support a max of 128 gig. If you're interested in purchasing this product, I left the product link in the description below. So first, you want to go ahead and attach your elastic bands. And go ahead and insert your micro SD card. Here I have one. I'm going to go ahead and just go ahead and pop it in. On the top of the mirror, you have your mini USB for your power supply. You have AV for your rear cam. This is where you insert your micro SD card. To install, you just want to place this on top of your OEM mirror and take your elastic band and strap it on tightly. And that's how it looks from the front. Next, you want to go ahead and install your rear camera. So for the rear camera, we're just going to tuck in the wire under the headliner. Just tuck it in so it's nice and clean all the way to the rear. So now we're in the rear, got everything tucked in here. I went ahead and pulled this panel out, so everything is tucked under here. I got everything up to here, this weather strip. Let me go ahead and pull that weather strip out. Right, so as you can see, here's the wire. Okay, I just put some tape here to protect the wire so it doesn't get pinched, and it feeds through out here and into this panel. So I screwed the camera into this panel. I didn't want the camera outside, I have it inside. Let me go show you how it looks. And this is how the camera looks. Feeds through right there. Doesn't really touch the window, the glass. And I did screw it because I wanted it permanent. Doesn't affect anything. Let me go ahead and open it up for you. That's how it looks. Give that a close. Next, you want to go ahead and take your power supply and do the same thing. Tuck it in under the headliner, and this time, instead of going to the rear, we're gonna go down the pillar. And I'm gonna go ahead and go under the steering wheel, under here. So the power source goes through here, under here. I removed this console here, the panel. It's just 2 screws and you pop it up. Fed the wires through, and you can see it right here. And plugged it into the cigarette lighter. I don't use this, so I don't mind doing it this way. Now let's go through the initial setup. I'm gonna go ahead and start the vehicle. I'm gonna go ahead and format the SD card. And there's your rear camera. And that's your in cabin. So we got to turn the camera around. You have your triple screen view, front camera, in-cabin camera, and your rear camera. And here's the front. Everything is adjustable. Now let's take a look at the settings. You have here that it's recording. Press that. First button stops the recording. You can take photos. You can lock the video, so while you're recording, you have the option to save that recording so it doesn't get overwritten with the loop recording feature. So that current video file is now locked. You have the option to put it on mute. Switch camera views. Adjust the brightness. And for playback of the video, you must stop the video first, stop recording, and here's your playback. That's for your front, in cabin, and the rear. Now for your general settings, your resolution. Each camera is at 1080p, all 3. If you want your loop recording 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes, I like mine set at 3. G sensor, I like to keep mine on low. Time-lapse recording, I keep it at 24 hours. Parking mode. So parking mode, you do have to buy a hardwire kit. That is sold separately. I made a separate video on how to install the hardwire kit. So for now, that is off. Backup camera lines. I did not install the red wire or connect the red wire because this vehicle is already equipped with reverse parking assistant. Screensaver, I have it. It's default 1 minute. I'm gonna go ahead and change that to off. Date stamp on. Volume, I have it off. Language, Set it to English. Date and time. This is where you want to adjust your date and time. I like to keep mine at 12-hour format. Your date format, month, day, and year is what we're used to here in the US. Light frequency, I keep mine at 60 Hertz. Audio recording, of course we want that on. Beep sound, I have that on. Plate number. Let's go ahead and hit edit. And here you can go ahead and put in your plate number. I'm going to go ahead and skip that for now. So your rear camera, if you want it flipped while recording, I go ahead and flip mine so it has that realistic view as if you were really looking at your rear view mirror. And your flip vertical, this is in case you have it installed upside down. We can go ahead and flip it vertically. Your cabin cam flip, horizontal, depending on how you want to see it. Driver side left or driver side right. And to format your SD card and to reset. You want to go back to default settings. And this is your software version. There you have it, guys. This is my simple install of the mirror dash cam. Hope you liked this video. Hope this was helpful to some of you. If it was, don't forget to comment below. Also, don't forget to support my channel, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.